Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page inside of PDFgear. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to click onto page on the top of the page like so. Then from here, we want to go ahead and choose which page you'd like to duplicate. So say for example, I want to go ahead and duplicate this. I want to go ahead and click onto it. Click onto it like so. Make sure it's selected and then right click and then click onto extract pages. Now I want to select this page, so this is page number 2, and now subset as all pages and click onto OK, and then go ahead and save that in your downloads folder. So I'm just going to call this page 2. You can call it whatever you like. Make sure to save it as a PDF like so. Then from here, what we need to do is hover over where you want that duplicated page. So say if I want this page to appear after page 2, I want to hover my mouse over page 2, click on the plus icon, then click on from PDF, and now I'm going to select that page 2 again, and then it's going to say select file. That's the correct file. Range all pages, page, so after page 2. So it says here location after. You can do before if you want as well, but I want to do this after, and then select OK, and then you can see that page has now been duplicated